Imagine a world where fairy tales come to life, where luxury, opulence, and grandeur define your special day. Welcome to the realm of luxury weddings. These are not just ceremonies, they're immersive experiences, meticulously curated to every last detail. Behind each grand entrance and lavish banquet lies a personalized narrative, a story of love celebrated in the most unforgettable way. Today, we take you on a journey through the world's most luxurious wedding venues. Starting our countdown, we land in the heart of France, at the majestic Versailles Palace. Architectural marvel dates back to the 17th century, showcasing an era of royal grandeur and opulence. Every corner of the Versailles Palace whispers tales of the lavish lifestyles of French monarchs. The palace's grand gardens are a spectacle to behold, with intricate designs and a vast array of blooms that create a perfect backdrop for a fairy tale wedding. Inside, the opulent halls, adorned with gold accents and grand chandeliers, offer an unparalleled royal experience. The Hall of Mirrors, a testament to the palace's grandeur, serves as a breathtaking venue for exchanging vows. With a history so rich and an ambience so regal, the Versailles Palace is more than just a wedding venue. It is a place where couples can step into the shoes of royalty and create timeless memories. For couples seeking a touch of royal elegance, Versailles Palace is an undeniable choice. Next on our list, we travel to the enchanting land of India, home to the splendid Umaid Bhawan Palace. This grand edifice stands as a testament to India's rich cultural heritage, a perfect blend of Eastern opulence and Western elegance. Imagine exchanging vows in the heart of Rajasthan, under a sky painted with hues of a setting sun, surrounded by the majestic architecture that tells tales of royalty. Umaid Bhawan Palace, with its 64 breathtaking Art Deco rooms and suites, offers nothing less than a royal experience. Built over 15 years, the palace is a marvel of golden yellow sandstone set amidst 26 acres of lush gardens. Its grandeur is further accentuated by exotic murals, plush interiors, and intricate artifacts, all reflecting the cultural richness of Rajasthan. A wedding here is not just a ceremony, it's a spectacle, a celebration of love in the lap of luxury. For those seeking a blend of luxury and culture, Umaid Bhawan Palace promises an unforgettable experience. Our journey continues to the romantic landscapes of Italy, where the charming Villa d'Este awaits. Nestled on the picturesque shores of Lake Como, Villa d'Este paints a scene of classic Italian elegance. Imagine the gentle lull of the lake water, the lush greenery of century-old gardens, and the timeless allure of Renaissance architecture. This is the magic of Villa d'Este. Here, the air is perfumed with the scent of blooming flowers. The sun-kissed pathways are a testament to the villa's regal past, and every corner is a piece of art. And as twilight descends, the villa transforms. The gardens come alive with a symphony of lights, casting a dreamy glow on the lake's surface. The elegant ballrooms with their intricate frescoes and grand chandeliers set the stage for a night of celebration. For a wedding straight out of a romantic novel, Villa d'Este is the perfect canvas. As we reach the pinnacle of our list, we find ourselves split between the modern marvel, Burj Al Arab in the UAE, and the timeless beauty, Neuschwanstein Castle in Germany. Basking in the warmth of Arabian hospitality, Burj Al Arab stands as an epitome of modern luxury. This architectural wonder, shaped like the sail of a ship, is a testament to the avant-garde spirit of the UAE. With its stunning views of the Persian Gulf, Burj Al Arab offers an unparalleled experience of opulence. Its exquisitely designed suites, world-class cuisine, and exclusive access to a private beach make it an ideal venue for those seeking a glamorous contemporary wedding. On the other hand, nestled amidst the serene Bavarian Alps, Neuschwanstein Castle tells a tale of timeless allure. This 19th century palace is a real-life fairy tale, its turrets and towers reaching for the sky. The castle's stunning location, overlooking the picturesque Hohenschwangau Valley, paints a backdrop that's nothing short of magical. With its rich history and enchanting ambience, Neuschwanstein Castle offers a quintessential setting for a dreamy romantic wedding. Although both venues are distinct in their own right, they share a common thread, an unwavering commitment to luxury and exclusivity. Both are sure to leave an indelible impression on you and your guests, making your special day even more memorable. Whether it's the modern allure of the Burj Al Arab or the classic charm of Neuschwanstein Castle, luxury knows no bounds when it comes to celebrating your special day. From charming palaces to modern marvels, luxury weddings are a world in themselves. We've journeyed together through the grandeur of Versailles, the royal touch of Umaid Bhawan, the romance of Villa d'Este, and the iconic allure of Burj Al Arab and Neuschwanstein Castle. Each venue a testament to the opulence that frames these unforgettable moments. As we conclude our journey, remember that no matter the venue, the true luxury lies in the love you share and the memories you create. Here's to a life of love and luxury.